Hello, this video is going to show how to accomplish a nice little challenge that came across my desk recently. A user wanted to know what the volume was that would fill this hopper here. And you can see from the assembly tree here we got just 4 plates that are welded together. And he wanted to know what the volume was if that was filled. Now, we could just make a loft between the two, but if it was a more complicated shape, there's some tricks you can do to pull the geometry off here. So I'm going to just show how to do that. So I'm going to start by selecting some faces. So I'm going to go down here to the green face selection, and then I'm going to hold the shift key down and select the 4 faces there. And then I'm going to right click on one of them and go down to create and then extract surface. And it's going to say they're from multiple parts. Do you want to stitch them into one surface part? And I'm going to say yes to that. And you can see then I got my one surface part. And I'm going to right click and just go ahead and suppress my assembly. So you can see I've got my my part here. I can reverse the orientation so the outside is showing to the outside. But then I just need to fill in the top and the bottom. So I can come up here to surface here, and I can just use a simple ruled surface to pick the 2 edges. And then I want to add as an IntelliShape to that part so it becomes a feature of that part. And then you can see I've added a rule surface to the top. And then I can do the same thing on the bottom. I can just quickly add a ruled surface there. And again, I want to add it to the part. So you can see I got a part there. And it didn't solidify. It's still showing the surface shape. So I won't be able to get the volume. And the volume is what I want. So I'm going to come up here to solidify, and then just hit OK. And it says it failed to do solidify, so that's okay. So sometimes in IronCAD things don't work right in one kernel, so we can switch them to the other kernel. So we'll switch it over to ACES, and then we'll try the solidify. And it did it. So then we have a solid part. Now we have the solid part that is the volume of the inside of our hopper. So then we just come up here to Tools, and then go to Analysis and Compute. And you can see we got our volume there. We got quite a bit of volume. It's a large hopper, but anyway. And then the weight of the material, if you put a density in there of the material that's in there. But this is your volume here that you wanted, and that's just a quick and easy way to get that. So extracting the surfaces there is a way to pull off any complicated part or assembly and turn it into a single part. So hope you enjoyed that. Thank you and have a good day.